Welcome to Blimo Automatic Cat Feeder. This automatic cat feeder easily connected your pet feeder and smartphone by Wi-Fi. Feed your cute pet anywhere by the app on your phone. This smart cat feeder makes your pet is feed even if you can show that the indicator of your pet is in fast flashing. It means your feeder is ready for Wi-Fi connection. Register an account and login in. Click add device and then select manually. Do not choose auto scan, it is not stable. Selected small home appliances and then select pet feeder. Do not choose other or it may cause problem when connecting. Enter the correct password, continue and the device confirm the indicator is fast flashing mode. Click next and waiting, then the pet feeder will be added correctly. Pet feeder Wi-Fi transmitted devices and your phone should less than the device is not successfully connected for a long time to need to reset it. Connect again. This automatic cat feeder control your pet's meal time. Your smartphone program up to meal to feed on your pet schedule. Portion per meal allows you to feed your pet outside of normal feeding time. Help eating habits which will allow them to live a long and healthy life with you. Hold the press and hold the record button to record each feeding dispenses deep food tray to allow pets to have meal feeling safe and reveal the feeder enable with Wi-Fi network. It is a lot easier to configure the feeding times with the app than using the button model, and you can check your pet's feeding. Pet feeder could record your voice when the food dispense your voice and available to it is recommended to use both battery and pet food dispenser. Could schedule on meals per day. Feeding portion can be individually set to prevent feed your pets automatically when you need to go out for feeder. Holds to dry food. Avoiding opening of the cover of removable stainless steel bowl is super easy to clean. This automatic cat feeder through easy to program meal times and portion. The automatic cat feeder help take care of your by feeding it on a schedule so you can reset assured no matter where you are. In the meantime, you can keep your friend contacted to voice recording feeding calls. Plan at a certain time with certain quantity for pets to help them develop a regular eating habits. This might help to prevent your pets from a meal. You can schedule meals for pet per dry and every meal can dispense. This automatic cat feeder for double pets. Divide the kibble in half if you could like both pet to food and meal time. Adjust your feeder to dispense of food at each schedule. This advanced automatic turning be design of food outlet completely solves the problem of stuck food. Make sure your pet are never hungry. This automatic cat feeder stainless steel ball can be upgraded on the pet feeder. Come with a filter and double stainless steel food bowl. This automatic cat feeder provides food for your smart, assuring them of staying full and happy. Pets are cute. We never know when they are fully. You can download the smart app and set the time and number of setting according to your pet's eating habits.